Here is our manual cheese portioner. It allows you to perfectly cut the cheese into small slices, remove the crust without waste, while significantly reducing the working times. Professional cheese cutter with very small dimensions. Easy to place on any type of work environment. This is made in Italy, and it is of a robust construction, food grade base. And I've placed here the measuring tape just to see the length of the blade. And it works well. Will not cause any strain while the user is working. And there's a safety guide here as you cut down. Good quality. Give us a call if you're interested in this machine.